Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in defense sentiment at plus 0.70, with momentum holding steady at plus 0.52. This is particularly interesting because it surpasses our historical baseline, indicating an unusual uptick in positive sentiment around defense topics. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of this sentiment, breaking it down into 19 semantic clusters that reveal the underlying themes driving the conversation. Imagine you're developing a risk assessment tool for defense contracts. You can leverage this sentiment data to identify shifts in public perception, which may influence decision-making or investment strategies. To dive deeper into how this can enhance your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this data together.